Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Oreo popsicles. First, gather your ingredients. About 15 to 20 Oreo cookies, 2 cups of milk, and 1/2 cup of heavy cream. You'll also need your popsicle molds and some wooden sticks. This simple recipe is perfect for a fun, refreshing treat that everyone will love. Now, let's prepare the Oreo mixture. Take about 10 to 12 of your Oreo cookies and crush them into fine crumbs. You can use a food processor or a Ziploc bag and a rolling pin. Then, roughly chop the remaining 5 to 8 cookies to add some delightful chunks to your popsicles. Mix these with the 2 cups of milk and 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Once your mixture is ready, carefully pour it into your popsicle molds, leaving a small space at the top for expansion. Next, insert a wooden popsicle stick into the center of each mold. Make sure the sticks are straight. Place the filled molds into the freezer for at least 4 to 6 hours, or until they are completely solid. Patience is key for perfect popsicles. After your popsicles are thoroughly frozen, it's time to enjoy them. To easily remove them from the molds, run a little warm water over the outside of each mold for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then, gently pull on the stick to release your delicious Oreo popsicle. Serve them right away and savor this delightful, homemade dessert. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.